Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Makes Seatbelt Violation 10 Times Worse." Let's get into the video.
Get out now! Get out now! Get out with you! I ain't do nothing, bro. Captain Intro, can I see your license and the rental contract, please?
I don't think I even have it.
What's going on? What's the problem?
As soon as I see your license, I explain to you why I stopped you, sir.
Okay, but sir,
You see my license, this is my car.
Okay, but you're not driving it.
it ain't.
I had to go this way to go to the Circle K so that I could finish getting ready.
I don't have my license on me right now, sir.
Is it suspended? Is that why you don't have it?
No, my license is suspended.
Then why don't you have it? You're driving.
I don't have it on me. Yeah, she handled everything for me, sir.
Okay. So what's your first name, sir?
Sir, what did I do first, sir? You gotta explain what did I do.
As soon as I know who you are, then I can explain to you why I stopped you.
Anything, sir.
Any legal reason why you're not wearing a seatbelt today?
No,
So you did commit a violation, so that's why I'm stopping you. You didn't have your seatbelt on, so I need to identify you, sir.
But you talking about our seatbelt, sir? I literally
I know for a fact that he always puts on his seatbelt.
yeah.
He didn't have his seatbelt on, that's why he's being stopped. If you want to fight it, you took it off. When did you take it off?
I just took it off, sir.
Before I turned around on you. I was sitting still and I watched you. If you refuse to identify yourself, then I will take you to jail.
But it ain't about it. It ain't, sir. Yes. You said that, sir.
Traffic
Take him to jail.
1394.
Just that talk to him.
Let's go.
No, I need to know who you are.
Okay.
If you don't tell me, then I will take you out of this vehicle and take you to jail. It's that simple.
That, sir. I understand that, sir. But I'm asking. I'm just asking the question. What's the reason?
I told you the reason why I stopped you. Neither one of you were wearing seatbelts.
I was going to speed limit, sir.
I realize that, but you weren't wearing a seatbelt. That's why I stopped you. That's a legal reason for me to stop
I
you.
just took off my seatbelt, sir. I ain't
Then you can fight it in court. Because you're going to get a ticket for not wearing your seatbelt.
Oh, no.
No, I just ran
So
out of gas.
God, no.
That's the reason why we went to the gas station and things like that. But I ain't gonna.
Sir, what's your first name?
Sir, I'm asking you. I was just asking you a question,
Can
sir.
you give me his first name, please? And that's,
Yeah,
because he's had, I don't want any.
Lock him up. Done talking to you. If I'm the officer, I'm done talking to you. I asked you about 3-4 times already for your information. You don't want to give out your information. You stopped for a seatbelt violation. Yeah, you may think it's minute. You may think it's minor. Whatever. It's petty. You know what I mean? But it is a violation. And you ain't even rent the truck. She rented the truck and she's supposed to be driving it. So yeah, y'all definitely, man, I ain't got time to be talking to you, man. You don't want to identify? Fine, no problem. We lock you up, put you in the system as John Doe, and whenever you decide that you want to identify yourself is when you'll get released, man. I ain't got time to play with you.
Thing bad to happen is my fault. It really is.
Sir, what's your first name?
Sir,
It's
I'm
Devon.
asking you, what did I do, sir?
What's your middle name, sir?
You
Give
don't
him my
have to
name.
pay for it. You don't.
Give me my name.
You don't. It's a seatbelt. Can you just give me a ticket, please?
Because I was supposed
I'm giving you both a ticket.
Please, just.
You're making this so much more difficult than it has to be. You are. All you have to do, by law, when you're stopping law enforcement, you're required to identify yourself. You're refusing to do that,
No, I'm not,
which
sir.
is a criminal violation, which will lead me to arrest you if you do not identify yourself.
Yes.
Do you have a middle name on your license? And your birthday, sir?
It's
Oh, nah, that ain't adding up.
Say that one more time.
Tomorrow.
And what's the address that's on your license?
It's
Yeah, he got a warrant.
You understand if you're giving me a fake name, you're automatically going to
I ain't
jail.
giving you no fake name, sir. The thing is,
Well, you first said 11 for your birthday.
Sir, I got head injury. Yes.
Disabled. He's on Social Security. He's not.
All right, Jordan, is place the right address that's on your license?
Sir, I'm not giving you no hassle. I'm not giving you no hassle. I got head injury, sir.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. And, you know, if I was, I'm normally to talk, but it's things that my brain got to click in.
Okay. Well, I explained to you why I stopped you several times.
Yes.
Okay. So, is the right address that's on your license?
Everything's straight, yes, sir.
Okay. And do you know your social security number?
No, sir. I don't care to know.
How tall are you?
6-1, I believe.
All right, please stay in the truck. I'll be back in a few minutes.
What I'm telling you,
1074 so far. Hey.
What's up?
He started to refuse to give me his ID. She started giving me his name. I think he's giving me a bad name or he doesn't have a DL.
Okay. That's another day at the
if this
office.
is him or not. Checking David. It only looks like he has an ID card.
Lock him up. Let's go. Get this show on the road. Playing too many games.
He stumbled on the date of birth. Can you see his picture?
Yeah. Revoked?
Yeah, previous 6 DWS. I think that's him.
6?
Maybe he wanted to give you a
DWI?
fake one and screwed up. Well, if it's a fake one, he picked the wrong one to give you, so.
Yeah.
It gives us enough to at least get him out of the car and double check him. So.
Would you mind doing that? And I'm going to keep running him.
Yeah. What's his name?
Devon, maybe? He might have warrants, too.
Definitely got warrants.
Okay. I thought it might be the guy who gave me the fake name last year.
Yeah, he's going to refuse.
Refuse what?
To get out of the vehicle. No, he's habitual. If it is him.
Repeat offender.
Get out of the car now.
I ain't do nothing.
Get out of the car and we'll taser you. Get out now! Get out now!
I'm finna get out.
Get out!
But sir, what?
I'm not fucking around with you!
I'm finna get out. Sir, I didn't do nothing, sir. Sir, I didn't do nothing. Stop. I didn't do nothing, sir. Sir,
Put your hand behind your back.
I ain't fighting. What did I do?
Step back, ma'am. Do it now.
I like how the female always want to get involved. Oh, he's disabled. He's disabled. Come on, man. You think we give a fuck about that, man, because you're lying, man. He may have a little bit of problems, whatever, maybe. But the thing is that he is well aware of what's going on and there's something not right. That's why y'all acting like that. You know what I'm saying? And he can't be that bad. He can't be that disabled if you allowing him to drive and blow your back out and all of this other stuff. So let's keep it 100 and he going to jail. Let's go. We ain't got time to play with you.
Because you're arguing like, listen, when I take
Better
you out,
act
you
right.
have to get out of your
You
vehicle.
want to act right?
Okay. Get your hand out of your purse now. Get your hand out of your purse.
Get it out. I didn't do nothing, sir.
It's a seatbelt ticket.
Stop. It doesn't matter what it is. If we give you a lawful order on a stop, you have to comply.
I don't
if I
know
order
that.
you out of the vehicle, I told you.
I told you that.
Multiple times. Okay?
Put on your shoes.
I just told you.
Put on your shoes.
Get you out of the car.
Put on your shoes.
I am, sir. I gotta walk to it, sir. He holding me back.
We're holding you up.
No, I said he was holding me back. I don't want to have no problems.
We're not humiliating him.
Yes,
I don't want to have no problems. Stop arguing with them.
Very simple. All
I don't want to have no problems, sir.
All this
All right, we're going to walk back here to my car.
Can I talk? Can I talk, sir?
We're going to walk back to my
I
car.
didn't do nothing, sir. Why did you?
We're walking back to my car.
Sir? I have to go through this, sir. Can I talk? Can I sit right here and talk?
Turn around.
Thank you. You don't have to do it, sir. I ain't trying to give you no problem.
You are. You've done nothing but give me problems.
I'm just talking. That's how I talk, sir. I'm not trying to argue with you, sir.
What's your license suspended for?
My license is not suspended, sir.
What's your date of birth?
I just turned 1987, sir. 5/26, 1987, sir.
What's your name? You only have an ID card.
I know. I don't, sir. I don't, sir.
Well, you don't have a driver's license then, right?
I know. It's that I don't carry my ID or my social on it. You know, my things is at the house, sir.
What's your social?
I don't know my social, sir.
Okay.
He was charged with driving with a suspended license, resisting an officer without violence, and false ID given to Leo.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.